Hey Kelly. Hmm. Nice video you have there. Kinda forgot to mention who called you and to post my Twitter in your sidebar, huh? You did, didn't ya? Well, it's okay. And that was one of your better videos, I'd have to say. Well, the new shoes one was, yeah, your failing dance moves made that video better than this one. But I'm pretty sure I'll be the first to get a DR.TEKNO CD since I am his brother, this guy right here. But yeah, Josh, Shua, Kelly. I think your middle name's Theodore or something like that, but hey. Keep up the good work.